The ROOTCRAFT Indoor Herb Garden Planter brings together 5 popular culinary herbs in one coordinated starter kit, giving beginners and experienced cooks an easy way to keep fresh flavors within arm's reach. Its wooden planter box is not just attractive on a countertop or windowsill, it also keeps the fabric grow bags upright and stable as the plants get taller. The included coconut coir discs provide a sustainable growing medium that balances moisture and airflow, helping prevent soggy roots while still keeping seedlings well hydrated. Thoughtful extras like the plant markers, small tools, pruning scissors, and spray bottle make the kit feel complete, so you are ready to plant as soon as you open the box. With carefully selected seeds known for strong germination, this set gives new gardeners a forgiving, confidence-building way to grow herbs in kitchens, apartments, or small balconies. Clear instructions walk you through soaking, planting, and ongoing care, so even someone who has never grown herbs before can successfully raise a compact indoor garden.